Hello my friends, welcome to COVID-19 Cooking Inspiration. Today I'm making black bean burgers, so I thought I'd take you along. As you can see, the ingredients are very few. I've got 2 cans of black beans that are draining, and I did not rinse them. The recipe calls for no rinsing. I have 1 cup of breadcrumbs. I have 1/4 of a chopped onion, 1 egg beaten. I have some chopped up cilantro, and I also, as far as spices go, there's 1 teaspoon of chili, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all of these black beans in my food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can do this by hand with a fork, but this makes my life easier. And I'm just going to do this very quickly. I want a pulse. I don't want a puree. I just want some texture and some mashed up beans. So, oops, I'm making a mess. This is as far as we want to go. And then to this, I'm going to add my egg, cilantro. This was frozen cilantro that I did not use, so I had to preserve it and chop it up and put it in the freezer. I have 1 onion, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, and the spices. And I will pulse this until it's all mixed together. Oh, what a mess. All right, so we're just gonna mix this thoroughly. And then once it's all mixed, you're gonna grab a handful and you're gonna form it into a patty. And it's as simple as that. I'll bring you in when I'm ready to cook these. The black bean burgers are now cooking in a little bit of oil and butter. And I'm just browning on both sides, and then I'm gonna finish heating it up in the oven with the fries that I'm making. Yum! These are our favorite toppings for our burgers. As you can see, the bean burgers were a great success. I hope this video inspired you to try new things in your kitchen. Please hit the thumbs up button, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you soon, my friends.